Well, hello, this is Trail Rider 570. This video is sponsored by Kemi Moto. They do ATV and UTV accessories. They sent me some products to do reviews on, non-UTV related. It's actually it'll fit my truck. So they'd like to do a unboxing. Problem is both parts came in one box. So we're going to start with, this video is going to pertain to the first product. Then I will do the next one later on. So here we go. It's in this little bag. It's really simple. We're going to get this box out of the way for now because that's going to be another video. So anyway, let's see here. We're going to cut this open. What this is I got a Ford F150, and this is you have a center console, and on my Ford they just happen to be hard plastic in it. So she showed me this, and I said, well, yeah, I can do car accessories. Right here it is, and it's going to be a real simple install. Right here it is. Just basically it's going to slide on. Soon I figure out, because it's really cool, but let's see here. We'll have to figure out. This is going to be the front, I believe, just like that. So we're going to switch over to the truck, and I'll get back with you in a few. Hey guys, we're in the truck. Right here's my console. See, it opens up like so. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna set the camera up here, what we do, I'm gonna give you this view first. You open up your console just like so. Then we're going to, we just slide this over. It's really simple. It just slides over. Easiest install ever. Work this back. And this one here will slide. And I'm just going to slide this back. Get this hooked into. I got a spot right there. There we go. Just like that, and we just slide it on here, and right there it is. Now it's got it padded. I got some pockets here, pocket on this side so you can stick your cell phone in. We can go like this. I don't need this at this point. I'll be right back with you. Alright, right here's the console cover, and it's padded. And it's got an area here you can reach in, grab your latch. I got a little Yorkie, and you'd probably like riding on here. Anyway, it has these pockets so you can take it like your cell phone, and boom, you can put your cell phone there. And what I did on the inside, this has like a Kleenex holder, I guess you call it, right there. I just hooked the one strap onto the tab there, and just slid this down and over, and just like that. So it's on there. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It's pretty. It beats resting my arm on the hard plastic. Obviously, you see it's got the quilting to it. A little bit of padding, so it's a little better for you. And like I say, you can take it off. You can still access your cup holders in the rear for your passengers. So yeah, it's a pretty good thing. The stitching's good. Yeah, good quality material. And like I say, right here's these pockets. They flip. They got you can put a cell phone on each side. So your passenger, they can put their cell phone there, and you can put your cell phone here if you want. But that's all there is to it. Just like right here, you can see it just slides around two elastic straps, and I took one, I hooked it into here, and that's all you had to do.
just like that. So it's pretty cool. I would definitely recommend it because I like to ride with my arm on here before. It was it's hard plastic, you know, and with this on there, at least now, it gives you some padding. And plus, we got a little 6-pound Yorkie, and when he rides in the truck with us, which eventually he'll do, he can sit up here and give him some padding as well. So, yeah. So, just like that. There we go. We got it out. But yeah, you can see it right there. Looks pretty good, don't it? Doesn't match the other stuff, but I got gray interior, but that's okay. You know, it's got dark carpet, so. But anyway, this is sent to me from Kemi Moto to do an install and a product review on my. This is a 2014 Ford F150. So what I'll do at this point, I'll take a few pictures, and that's easy. It's all done. The review. The next part to do, I'll be doing a unboxing. They sent me multiple items to do. So what I'll do is I'm going to take some pictures of this. I'm going to edit and get this video uploaded for now. Then I will do the next product they sent me. So thanks a lot for watching. This is Trail Rider 570 saying goodbye and God bless. And don't forget to check out Kemi Moto. They do ATV, UTV accessories as well as car accessories. So check them all out. They got a website. I will post their website in the description below. And yeah, so, and I will post the link to this console cover. I think it's going to be a good thing because I do have black tonneau cover and I got some black, and that armrest is hard plastic, so this gives me some padding in there because I do ride with my arm sitting on the armrest occasionally. So check them out, and rather than blubbering on for here, I'm gonna get some pictures taken, and I'll post them at the end of this video. And thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later. For now, Trail Rider 570 saying goodbye and God bless, and I'll see you next time.